Hello everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you over to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. So today's challenge is 2 raised to the power 333x minus 2 plus 2 power 111x plus 2 equals to 2 power 222x plus 1 plus 1. It has all real roots. The sum of roots is m ratio n, where m and n are relatively prime. We have to find m plus n. So let us simplify this exponential equation. This can be written as 2 power 333x divided by 2 to the power 2 plus 2111x into 2 to the power 2 plus, it's not plus, is equals to 2 power 222x whole into 2 to the power 1 plus 1. Or it can be written as 2 power 333x divided by 4 plus 4 into 2 to the power 111x equals to twice 2 to the power 222x plus 1. Now I'll take another 2 is left here. So 2 power 111x as t. Then this exponential function will becomes your 2 power 3333x will be certainly tq, and power 2222x equals to 2 is t square. So the equation will become tq by 4 plus 4t, and I am shifting this to left hand side, so minus 2t square minus 1 equals to 0. So this is a cubic equation. Let me arrange it according to the exponent or power. T power 4 minus 2t square plus 4t minus 1 equals to 0. Next step, I am multiplying 4 throughout, then it will be tq minus 8t square plus 16t plus 4 is 0. So this is a cubic equation. And certainly it has 3 roots. So let the roots are be T1, T2 and T3. Now applying Beer's formula, beta formula, sum of the roots T1 plus T2 plus T3 equals to minus b by a. So it will be 8, and product of the roots T1, T2, T3 equals to negative c by a. So this will be 4. So what is T1? T1, certainly it will be 2 power 111 x1. What will be T2? It will be 2 power 111 x2. What will be T3? 2 power 111 x3 which will be satisfying this equation. So their product is 4. So 2 power 111 x1 into 2 power 111 x2 multiplies 2 power 111 x3 equals to your 4. If we will simplify using the exponent rule left side, it will be 2 power 111 x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 4. 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. So equating their exponent, I'll get 1, 1, 1 multiplies x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 4. 4 is 2, it's 2, sorry. So what will the sum of the roots? x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 2 over 1, 1, 1. So this is the sum of the roots. The sum of the roots to m over n. So m equals to 2 and n equals to 1, 1, 1, and it is given that they are relatively prime. So our purpose is verified. Then to find m plus n. m plus n equals to 2 plus 1, 1, 1. That will be 1, 1, 3. This is answer. Now the question is, can you get the answer of this question or solve this question? 2 to the power 33x minus 2 plus 2 to the power 11x plus 2 equals to 2 power 22x plus 1 plus 1. So solve it. If you are able, I'll appreciate if you write the answer in comment section. Thank you for watching. Solve yourself.